let's review what we have learned. You can pause the video if you need more time to answer the questions. Let's begin. It is the amount left over when our computation does not result in an exact division. The answer is remainder. What is the answer for the division operation below? The answer is 6 remainder of 2. So how did we come up with this answer? From the grid or the array that is shown here, we can see that there are 20 blocks in it. Now what we could do is create groups of blocks with 3 blocks in each group. So we have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 groups with 3 blocks in each group. And we can see that we have 2 remaining blocks, and we can no longer create another group with 3 blocks in it because there's not enough blocks to do that. So these 2 blocks are what we call remainders, and we have 2 of these. So the answer to 20 divided by 3 is 6 with a remainder of 2. Was this lesson helpful? Go share it now to your family and friends by tapping or clicking the share button. Here are videos and playlists you could watch also. Keep on learning!